favorite hand and wave goodbye to those nice people on the dock. Bye. Yeah, you're never gonna see them again. But you probably never saw them before, did you? Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, everybody, where we are world famous for being famous around the world. My name is Lindsay. I'll be your skipper, your guide, your life coach, your social director, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor as well. We begin our journey here tonight in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Now, I'm not that very good at math, but I'm pretty sure that's like almost every other day. And off to the sides of the boat here, you will see some beautiful Amazon butterflies. These butterflies can grow to be anywhere from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. That's why we like to call them the rulers of the jungle. They're true monarchs, if you ask me. On the left here is Inspiration Falls. A lot of people wonder how Inspiration Falls got its name. And well, because it usually inspires people to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. That sounds like inspiration if I've ever heard it. We're now on the Congo River, so let's see how far this can go. And if you've never seen the Jungle Book, right there. Yep, we have the 3D box set. And I do have a lovely party planned for you tonight to welcome you to the jungle. It's on a beach. There will be music. That's awkward. I can't see anyone canoe. No, something must have scared them up. Oh, I think I can see what scared them away. Has to be this giant python right up here. Watch out for this one. He can develop a real crush on you. Trust me, guys, I would know. It's a very constricting relationship. Oh, no. Well, this is what happens when you leave your front door unlocked in the jungle, my friends. I can tell those gorillas really liked my tools, but they just completely flipped over my Jeep. And we just turned down the Nile River. It was way too loud. Now, the Nile is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably just in denial. Over here, we have the second most feared animal in the jungle. He's the African elephant. And if you're wondering what the most feared animal is, you're in luck. She's right here, guys. It's his mother-in-law. I would like to point out this sandstone rock formation because, you know, a lot of people take it for granted. But personally, I think it rocks. And we are now passing the African veldt, which holds up the African pants. You can see the lions are sitting down to their favorite meal. Zebra on the rocks. Yeah, they really share their meals with pride. That poor zebra, he looks dead. Tired. Dead tired. We'll let him rest in peace. Oh, look, it's the Jungle Cruise Band. Hey guys, they set out this morning looking for a new drum, but it seems they have found a horn instead. I would hate to be the low man on that totem pole. I tried to tell them rhinos can run as fast as horses, but they didn't believe me. Looks like he'll get the point though, in the end. Now I would like to show you some of my favorite plants here in the jungle, so everyone please pay close attention for me, okay? That one. And that one. And that one. And that really leafy green one right there. Can you guys all see it okay? Yeah. Awesome. Now up ahead is Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls is named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. If you didn't get that joke, don't worry, we're going over it later, okay? Now, a lot of people ask me, Skipper Lindsay, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Cruise? But I think it's pretty plain to see, guys. I took a crash course. And I'm just winging it. That's the talent of that joke. My career never really took off like I thought it would. Uh-oh. Oh no, it looks like we found a pool of hippos. Be careful, everyone. Just last week, these hippos sank 6 of our boats. But don't worry, Only 5 were mine. I should scare them off anyway, so cover your ears, guys. Cover your ears for me, please. Okay, that should do it. It's the hippos in the trees you have to look out for nowadays. We're now entering headhunter territory where you'll be able to see my last crew. They're actually right over here. Don't worry about them. They were just a bunch of boneheads anyway. And you'll notice the locals are dancing in a circle, which can only mean one thing. They don't know how to square dance. As we make our way through the rest of the village, keep your eyes peeled for any ambushes or other dangerous plans. It's okay. They're just practicing their Shakespeare. To throw or not to throw? That is the question. Now, my friends, this is the moment you all came here to see. It is the one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of water! Just me? Okay. Sorry. I periodically make chemistry jokes. I have this one about oxygen and potassium, but it's just okay. We are now on the Mekong River, and it looks like we have a temple coming up ahead. I don't know about you guys, but this temple is making me nervous. For those of you who are wondering if it's water coming out of their noses, it's not. Oh no, look out, look out, look out, look out, look out, look out. I'm just kidding. There's another elephant over here though, so be careful guys. Watch out, I'm not kidding this time. Watch out back there, watch out. Yeah, I was just kidding. We are coming towards the end of our journey here tonight, but it would not be the same without a trip to see Trader Sam. Sam is our lead salesman here in the jungle, but business has been shrinking lately, hasn't it, buddy? Yeah. So he has a special this week. 2 of his heads for just 1 of yours. Do we have any takers? Good, because you know, either way you slice it, you will always come out a head on that deal. Now, you have been an outstanding crew for me tonight. But in just a few short moments, I will need you to be out, standing on those docks as well. If you enjoyed our time tonight, my name is Skipper Lindsay, and this has been the Jungle Cruise. If you didn't, well, then my name is Elsa, and you just need to let it go, okay? Yeah. Now, before we approach the dock, I just want to remind you to please stay seated, keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and elbows inside the boat until it stops. And so, if you laughed tonight, thank you for laughing. If you didn't, thank you for leaving. I'm going to tell you what my parents told me when I said I was leaving college to come drive boats here in a circle at Disney World. They said, Skipper Lindsay, First name Skipper, last name Lindsay. We love you dearly, but your free ride, it's over, so get out. Oh, thanks
Thank
for
you.
that pity applause started by my coworkers. Oh, not out the window, guys.